Okay, hey guys, you're looking at the Russell 2000 right here. By the way, the only reason you see 100 on the P&L is because yesterday I made a trade in gold. I made a video of it, but I tried something new with the videos, and where I would videotape the whole trade and fast forward the parts where I'm not talking. That is muted. Uh, Unfortunately, YouTube didn't accept it. It was just a bit over 10 minutes, or else it would be up there right now. But you can see the Russell has a very big selling tail here. So obviously there's a seller in control. We gapped up to new all-time highs, well, year highs, and fell through. So what we're now watching is this high volume node here and this low volume, which I'd like to possibly get short and hope for a move to the downside. I'd like it to balance a bit here, and then possibly get short in the 64 1.5, which is up here. So pause, see what happens. Okay guys, we're in our area, so let's sell one at 841.8. Gonna have a tight stop at, let's see, 642.5. Looks like this run is a bit well, let's see here. No, we need to have it at the 0.8 right here. So we're risking a point. We're looking for a drop down to the lows of the day. This to me looks a bit overextended, this run here. You could also see that we are at this key reference area, which are points where you make trades off of. We're at the upper extent of it, therefore we either get long or sell here, and we're taking the responsive trade. The Russell tends to have some erratic moves where it'll just spike in one direction and then come right back, pull right back, and that's kind of what we're looking for right now. I would like to move my stop down to 42.8 if we start testing the 41s. So we will know that this spike is possible short-term high. So we'd like to see this start to come down very quickly, as the Russell kind of likes to do that. The other indices are near highs currently. They are much stronger on the day. The Russell is the weakest, I think, of all of them. Here, let's check out CNBC.com here. Home. This is where, yeah, it looks like the Dow and the S&P are the strongest right now. The Nasdaq is a little weaker, but if you look at the Dow here on this chart, they I think broke a little bit to new highs right now. But if they might make a stop run here, which will cause the Russell to start falling. But looks like this trade we're in the money in this trade currently. I'd like to see it fall back down to this high volume node, and I'll feel really comfortable in this trade. I do not want to see it return back to the top of this spike. That would be unhealthy for this trade. The Russell seems to, if it has a move in the morning, it'll seem to continue that in the afternoon, like yesterday. Up move in the morning, up move in the afternoon. So I think we should have, if we have a down move in the morning, a drop in the afternoon. So we're short at 41.8. See if we could have some downside movement to possibly the 40s down here. We are moving our stop into the 0.6s. We are returning back into the high volume node. We're up half a point in it currently. Let's draw some lines here now. Really, yeah, we do not want to see this spike get taken out. If that's taken out, we have to get out for a $80 loss, because that would invalidate the trade, obviously. Let's see if we could break to these 41s. We are looking like we're getting some responsive selling. I don't need that bid-ask delta anymore to see that. It's obvious in the chart. that this is kind of looks like a stop run above these B, C, D, E, F period highs. Don't know if we'll have continuation though. It looks like, let's see, what else? Yeah, just we're playing it to the other extreme, which is the lows of the day, really. I'd like to see the 41s. 41s is my next price. Okay, we are starting to go against us a bit. Let's check it out there. Actually, it's starting to come back, but very surprised how we haven't had some initial movement yet. I would like to see the M period low broken. We are in M period now, so 30 minutes till the close. It looks like we pulled back pretty significantly. I guess that's one of the things that the Russell does. It will, fake a lot of people out and then finally either have its move or something. But we don't want to see this L period high taken out. If it is, well, then we'll get stopped up for an $80 loss, but that's okay. The trade just did not work out. We'll see what happens. We are still at the 42s. We are coming near the close. 22 more minutes. Should be getting some activity. And it stopped us out. I cannot believe this. I thought we would have some downside extension. We didn't. Very, very interesting. Weird. Weird. Let's look here. Maybe a trade in the euro. No, we're gonna stop. This is that was frustrating, and now it's coming right back in. Very, very frustrating. Well, let's watch what would happen if we had our stop just one tick higher. One tick. Well, this is a learning experience, obviously. So we lost $80. The plus 20 was from yesterday's trade. We made 100 yesterday, so negative 80 today. So thank you for watching this video. Comments and suggestions are welcome.